Hello and welcome to this short video where we'll go through how to access and use the resources in your PLP for the Consortia professional learning programs. Firstly, you need to log into your MyEWC account. To do this, navigate to the EWC website www.ewc.wales, select your language of choice, and then at the top of the page, in the middle, select the option for My EWC Login. This will take you to your login page. There are links here to help you if you cannot remember either your username or password, and using these will send an update to the primary email address we hold on record for you. If you're experiencing difficulties, our email address is professionaldevelopment@ewc.wales. When you have logged into your account, select the option for your professional learning passport. This will take you to your PLP dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the tile with your name on it and click on the resources link. This takes you to your resource store, which houses blank templates and workbooks for your completion. To find the workbook for your program, simply use the search bar and look for the relevant keyword. Middle, if you're undertaking the Middle Leaders Development Program. Senior, if you're undertaking the Senior Leaders Development Program. Aspiring, if you're undertaking the Aspiring Head Teacher Program. Acting, if you're undertaking the New and Acting Head Teacher Program. And Coaching, if you're undertaking the Coaching and Mentoring Program. Click on the link to open the workbook. You can navigate around the workbook via the tabs along the top of the page. Your consortia may have requested each module to be released on specific days. If this is the case, you'll receive an email when a new module is available for you. The first and final tabs of the workbook contain information about the program and contact details that you might find useful. There is a page where you fill in your details. From there, each tab contains a module containing resources for you to review and reflect on. All multimedia resources are either linked or embedded into the pages, and there are sections where you are able to add your reflections on these. There is also a tab containing details on the final task you'll be undertaking. Once you have completed the program, the workbook will remain in your PLP account where you'll be able to access and refer back to it at any point. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, if you have any questions or issues, please contact us by telephone on 02920 460099 or by email at professionaldevelopment@ewc.wales.